Good morning, students. I Nita Kumari, your science teacher. Today I am going to tell you 7 things that you should do while eating food. What do you do? First, you have to wash your hands before eating. Second, chew food properly before swallowing. Never speak while chewing food. Always eat green vegetables and fruits every day. Always eat balanced diet. Balanced diet means the diet having all types of nutrients present in it. It means you have to eat rice, chapati, dal, vegetables, fruits, curd, milks. It is the balanced diet you have to eat every day. Always take food at fixed interval of time, not to eat whole day. Always drink about 8 to 10 glass of water every day. If you will follow such steps, you should keep yourself healthy, fit and disease free. Now again I am going to tell you the importance of eating fruits and eating fresh and clean food. We all eat raw as well as cooked food. Now let us see what will happen when we take unwashed fruits and vegetables. If you take unwashed fruits and vegetables, you know this type of foods carry germs of diseases which can cause diarrhea, vomiting and other stomach ailments. Unwashed fruits and vegetables can also carry eggs of worms. These eggs are so small and we cannot see with our naked eye. When these eggs reach the stomach of human beings, there they hatch and produce worms, which cause consume food that is meant for human body. People having worms generally look weak, pale and unhealthy. Do not eat peeled cut fruits and vegetables from roadside vendor because these are exposed to flies and dust and can transfer germs into the body and cause many diseases like jaundice, cholera, etc. Never eat cooked food which is uncovered and unrefrigerated for long because it can cause food poisoning. This happens because germs grow and multiply in that food. These germs produce harmful substances which can cause vomiting, diarrhea, etc. Do you know why is cooking useful? Cooking is useful because cooking makes food soft, tasty and digestible. It also kills germs that may be present in the food. What would happen? What would you do if a person suffering from diarrhea and vomiting? If a person suffering from diarrhea and vomiting, it is very important that a person should be given plenty of cooled boiled water containing a small amount of sugar and salt. Now come to the keywords. These keywords, here some keywords are given. You have to learn these keywords. First is canine, the 4-pointed teeth in our mouth. Diarrhea, a problem and element in which body tend to lose too much of water through stools. Digestion, the process of breaking down of food into simpler forms. Digestive juices which helps in the digestion of food. Incisor, this is the flat teeth in front of the mouth. Internal organs present inside our body. Molars and premolars, the broad and grooved teeth present at the back of the mouth. Saliva, a liquid secreted in our mouth by the salivary glands. Now I am going to give you some assignment to do. First is fill in the blanks. Dash hands before eating. What do you write? You have to write wash hand before eating. Do not dash while chewing food. Do not talk while chewing food. Always eat a dash diet. Always eat a balanced diet. Drink dash glasses of water every day. Drink 8 to 10 glass of water every day. Flies can transfer dash to uncovered food. Flies can transfer germs to uncovered food. Now here some questions are given. You have to give answer. First is list 5 good habits that should be taken care at the time of eating food. I have told 5 good habits you have to write down. Why is it important to chew the food properly? It is important to chew the food properly for proper digestion of food. It is important to chew the food properly. Why is washing of fruits and vegetables important for us? Washing of fruits and vegetables are important for us because unwashed fruits and vegetables can carry germs of diseases which can cause diarrhea, vomiting, and other stomach ailments. That's for all for today. I will see you tomorrow at the same time with my next topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.